All right, so this next one came into our site from Tarek. Thank you, Tarek. How can we get our product shown more on competitors' pages and with or next to the frequently bought together items? Well, so there is no ad space with frequently bought together. Now, to the right of that, underneath a product detail bullet points is a product targeting ad. That product targeting ad can be filled by a couple different ad types: sponsored product targeting ad, or a sponsored display product targeting ad. And third, potentially, if nobody else is playing there, a demand side or DSP ad. This is something that my agency, Canopy Management, certainly manages, as well as certainly the demand side platform, which is the separate ad platform from Amazon. But those are three ways in order to get your product targeting ad to show up on competitor pages right below their bullet points. Off to the right, underneath the add to cart button, so that right column is the sponsored display product targeting ad. Great suggestion on that is making sure that you are cross-marketing your own products and advertising your products using product targeting ads against your other products within your portfolio. Ideally, those that are not simply just child variations, but different parent products or standalone products, of course, as a defensive method. And then, of course, that's something obviously that my team looks for, is those kinds of opportunities to be aggressive, be on the offense, and steal market share away from those other product listings that are not paying attention, they're not defending their own space. You can bet we're going to be running ads on your listing. So using those different product targeting ads across sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display. Now, down the page a little bit, you've got other ones. You've got ribbons as far as 4-star and above sponsored ads. You've got regular sponsored ads. You've got custom image brand ad tiles. You have brand video tiles even farther down. And so those are some additional ad types that you can use in order to show up. We certainly use those on a regular basis in order to dominate product niches within the agency. And product targeting ads is probably what you're looking at.